Are you struggling in your PTE reading? Would you like to improve your score in the reading and writing fill in the blanks? So guys, this video is for you. In this video, I will explain all the tips, all the strategy and the grammar rule that will help you to boost your score in reading and writing fill in the blanks. And guys, if you follow these grammar rules, you are able to do your reading and writing fill in the blanks like this. Pretty quick guys, so make sure watch this video till the end. And if you are new to the channel guys, make sure to subscribe the channel as well, because in the future, if I will bring more content related to PTE, you will get notifications straight away if you subscribe the channel. And guys, if you're looking for online assistance, if you're looking for online coaching, we do provide online coaching as well. You can just WhatsApp us on this number and we will get back to you. And let's get started the video. Hello everyone, this is Sawan here from SM Academy guys. In today's video, I'm going to explain all the tips, all the strategy and the grammar rule for PTE reading guys. So in this video, I will cover everything, all the question type in PTE reading. First thing guys, let's cover all the question type that you will get in your reading section in the PTE exam. The first question type that you will get is called reading and writing fill in the blanks. The second one is reorder guys. The third one is multiple choice, multiple answer. The next one is multiple choice, single answer. And the last one is guys, fill in the blanks, drag and drop. So these are the 5 question type guys that you will get in your reading exam. So I'm gonna explain what are the things that you need to do in your reading exam, what are the tips you can do. First thing guys, what you need to do, make sure you start to take down notes as well guys. If you are not taking the notes, if you are just watching the video guys, you will not able to do your reading guys. So make sure you start to take down your notes as well, whatever the things, whatever the tips or strategy and the grammar rules I'm going to explain in this video guys. And later on guys, I'm going to share my screen as well. So over there, I will explain you all the grammar rules that will help you in your reading and writing fill in the blanks. So first thing guys, what do you need to do in your reading section? You have only limited time. You have 29 to 30 minutes for your reading section guys. So you need to manage your time wisely. Okay, so make sure you focus your all attention, like all your time on the important question type. The important question type is reading and writing fill in the blanks, the fill in the blanks, drag and drop, and the reorder. So these 3 question type are important guys. MCQ single answer and MCQ multiple answer are not that important. So you don't need to spend too much time on your MCQs. Make sure you focus on reading and writing fill in the blanks, the drag and drop fill in the blanks, and reorder guys. So these 3 question type are important, and make sure you allocate your time wise. So for example guys, in the reading and writing fill in the blanks, you start to allocate your time. Okay, I'm gonna spend 2 minutes on first question, then you move on to the second one. Okay, I'm gonna spend another 2 minutes over here. Don't just stuck on one question guys, because if you are just stuck on one question, you are not able to do your reading section. So that's the key over here guys. You need to manage your time wisely. You spend your time, you allocate your time, how much time you're gonna spend on the reading and writing fill in the blanks, how much time you're gonna spend on your reorder. So that's how you need to manage your time. Okay, you can spend 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, it's up to you, on your reading fill in the blanks. Okay, then you move to the next one. So now let's come to your reading and writing fill in the blanks guys. So I will share you what are the key things that you need to keep in mind. First thing guys, make sure you quickly skim the passage and try to get the context of the passage, like what the passage is all about. Okay, is it pessimistic, is it optimistic, what the passage is all about. Okay, you need to do this thing pretty quick guys. After that guys, the important part is the collocation. If you know the collocation word, if you know the grammar rules, okay, then you are able to do your reading and writing fill in the blanks pretty quickly. Okay, that's the key over here. Okay, you need to understand the grammar rules and the collocation word, and that way you are able to do your reading and writing fill in the blanks. But don't worry, in the video I'll share you all the grammar rules, okay, that will help you to do your reading and writing fill in the blanks. Firstly, let's move to another question type as well. I'll give you a brief of another question type, then I will jump on my computer screen and I will share you all the grammar rules that will help you in your fill in the blanks. Now let's come to the next question type, that is reorder guys. Reorder is also important. Okay, so you can spend a little bit time on your reorder, but don't put too much attention on MCQ single answer and MCQ multiple answer. So guys, in the reorder, what are the tips that you can use? You can look for the independent sentence. Independent sentence usually come at the top, and if there is something in the passage, for example, as a result, in conclusion, all these thing comes at the end, because as a result of what? There is another thing that will come above it. Okay, you can look for the dates, like what date is coming first. Okay, so by this way you are able to do your reorder guys. So now let's jump to my computer screen and we will do the grammar rules first. for your reading and writing fill in the blanks. So guys, now let's have a look at the grammar rules that will help you in your reading and writing fill in the blanks and your drop down fill in the blanks. Guys, make sure you start to take down notes as well, because if you start to take down notes, that will help you when you start to prepare by yourself, and you don't need to watch this video again and again. Make sure you start to take down notes as well. Now let's have a look at the screen. Over there we will learn all the grammar rules for your reading and writing fill in the blanks. So guys, first thing, the first rule is, if there is any blank after 2, for example, let's look over here. If there is a blank after 2, usually the base form, the V1 will come, like the verb first form will come after 2. For example, let's have a look at the example. Okay, I plan to dash to Japan next year. Then travel will come. Okay, travel is the base form of the verb first form. Okay, this is V1 and it's a base form. Usually if there is a blank after 2, then in that blank there is a base form of verb will come, V1 usually. Okay, and the second rule is, guys, for example, if there is a blank after 4 or while, then there is verb first form plus ing will come. Let's have a look example, guys, like she bought a book for dash during the flight. On this one, she bought a book for reading during the flight. So there is a blank after 4, then there is verb first form plus ing will come. So have a look in this one. Same thing if there is while as well. If there is a blank after while, then verb first form plus ing will come. So make sure you start to take down this thing, guys. If I am explaining to you right now, make sure you start to note down as well, because this will help you if when you will get the real exam, when you get the fill in the blanks in your real exam. So for example, if you see there is a 4 or there is a while and there is a blank after that, that usually comes in your mind, okay, there's gonna be V1 plus ing will come. Okay, verb first form and ing, and you will select quickly. So that's why I'm telling you need to take down the notes. Now let's have a look at the third rule, guys. The third rule is, if there is it, which and that, and there is a blank after that, search for verb with s and verb V1 plus s in s and es. For example, like plays, creates and all that. And there is example as well, guys. For example, the books that describe ancient civilization is on the table. Okay, so after that the describes. Okay, so there is s over here. So that's the thing that you need to take down. If there is which and that and it and there is a blank after that, you need to look for s or verb first form plus s or es. So that will come after which, that and it. Okay, so these are the things that you need to look into it, and that is followed by like describes, a verb that and s to match the singular subject. Okay, and now let's look at the fourth rule, guys. The fourth is, if there is has, have and had and there is a blank after that, look for the verb with ed, usually third form of the verb, guys. For example, like let's played, created. Okay, and let's have an example as well. Let's have a look at the example, like he has and there is a blank after has and then the assignment. So usually it will come completed. Complete is the verb and with ed is the third form of the verb, guys. So after like has completed, all right, have completed, have done, has done. All right, so you need to look for, after has, have, there is a blank after that, you need to look for third form of the verb or usually ed. So that will help you when you start to prepare your fill in the blanks. Now let's have a look at the fifth one, guys. In the fifth one, if there is or and there is a blank after that, usually there is V1 plus ing, first form of verb and ing. And this is like if there is a passive voice, guys. For example, in the passive voice, you use third form of the verb after is or am, and if there is a blank after that. For example, like the team is preparing for the tournament, that's the active voice. The team is preparing for the tournament. After is, there is preparing. All right. For passive voice, the tournament is played by team. Okay, that's the passive voice. So guys, I'll give you some more example. I'll explain you like in a more detail the active voice and passive voice. I'm sure you already know active voice and passive voice, but if you don't, I'll like quickly revise your memory. So guys, in active voice, you get like subject, verb plus object. For example, Sawan is recording video. Sawan is recording the video. So Sawan is subject, is recording is your verb, the video is object. Okay, so that's active voice, guys. And passive voice, object, verb third form, then the subject. For example, the video is recorded by Sawan. So that's passive voice. Simple is that, guys. Okay, in the active voice we have subject, then we have verb, and then we have object. And in passive voice, guys, we have object, then we have V3, verb third form, and then we have subject. So I'm sure, guys, the thing that's get in your mind right now is what is active voice and what is passive voice. Okay, guys, now let's have a look at the sixth rule of grammar for your reading and writing, fill in the blanks. For example, if you see A and N and there is a blank after that, usually, guys, in this case there is a noun should be used. For example, a pen, an organization. Why N over there? Because there is a vowel sound in the organization, O, organization with O. So you know there is a 5 vowel, guys, A, I, E, O, U, and we got O over here, organization. That's why there is a N comes before organization. And in the pen, guys, there is no vowel. That's why there is A comes before the pen. So let's have a look at example as well. Like, she found an umbrella in the car. If there is N, so that thing should comes in your mind quickly, because after an N there is a vowel sound gonna come, like an umbrella, all right, an organization. You know the vowels like A, I, E, O, U. I just explained to you. So if there is N sound, if there is an N word and there is a blank after that, the thing should becomes quickly in your mind. Okay, let's have a look at the vowel words. What are the words that have a vowels in the first? Okay, so A, E, I, N, O, U. All right, so there is that's why there is umbrella comes after the N. So now let's have a look at the 7th rule, guys. The 7th one is, if there is can, could, may, will, shall, should, or would, if there is a blank after that, guys, all we need to do, we just need to use the base form of the verb. For example, make, break, create, okay, play. For example, like, let's have a look at the example as well. Like, you can, there is a play the guitar. All right, play is a verb, guys. That's the base form of the verb. If there is a blank after can and then the guitar, so you can put the play over here. Play is the verb, so you look for the verb if there is can, could, may, will, shall, should. All right, if there is a blank after that. Now let's have a look at the 8th one, guys. The 8th one is, if there is a blank after adjective, guys, then the answer of the blank should be noun. Same thing, if there is adverb comes with verb, adjective comes with noun. All right, let's have a look over here, guys. For example, like, the beautiful scenery took my breath away. All right, so what the beautiful is, guys, adjective, and scenery is noun. Noun, what adjective do? Basically, adjective gives an explanation about noun. For example, scenery over here is noun and beautiful is over here is adjective. And guys, in the second one, like adverb and plus verb, the athlete ran incredibly fast. Over here, ran is verb and incredibly is adverb, guys. And in the first one, beautiful is your adjective and scenery is your noun, guys. So usually adjective comes with noun and your verb and adverbs comes together. All right, so these are just the basic rule of grammar, guys. If you learn those rules, guys, you are able to do your reading and writing, fill in the blanks like this pretty quick, guys. The things quickly comes in your mind. Okay, what's the thing over here? What is the thing that comes before the blank? Okay, if there is a V1 before the blanks, is it like passive voice? All right, if there is a passive voice, usually verb third form will come. Okay, if there is active voice, V1 plus ing will come. If there is to and all this thing, and if there is like article like a or an, after and what will come? The vowel will come. All right, so these are the things comes pretty quick in your mind if you learn just those basic rule of the grammar, guys. And one more thing, guys, collocation is also very important in your reading and writing, fill in the blanks. Collocation are usually those words that goes together, they goes by hand in hand. All right, I will attach the list of collocation in the description as well. You can download from there. And guys, we have more than 50 another rules as well for your grammar, like how you can improve your grammar for your reading and writing, fill in the blanks. And for that one, guys, this is only for the paid students, like the students who are taking training from us online. If you want to join us, you can see the number at the below. You can just contact us and we will get back to you. And hopefully, guys, this way I'll give you a brief idea like what sort of question, what sort of grammar rules you can use in your reading and writing fill in the blanks. So guys, that's it in the grammars for today. In the more, I will cover in detail as well, like what are the things that you can do more for grammar in your reading and writing fill in the blanks. If you have any question guys related to grammar rules, you can just drop down in the comment box and I'll get back to you. So guys, that's it in today's video. In today's video we explained all the things like what are the tips and strategy that you can use in reading and writing fill in the blanks. We discussed about the grammar rules as well. So if you like the video guys, so make sure you subscribe the channel as well, and if you have any doubts guys, just put down in the comment box. And if you are looking for online training guys, if you're looking online training for your PT, so you can WhatsApp on this number and we will get back to you. And see you in the next video guys. Take care.